back to my channel for another vlog. I just got home from work and I think I'm going to decorate. Today is Thursday, October 1st. I'm gonna decorate for Halloween and I'm so excited. I got some of the ingredients to make my favorite vegetarian chili, which I will link down in the description box below. So I'm gonna leave that simmering for the next few hours and while I clean up and then decorate. And maybe when Blake comes home, we'll watch like a Halloween movie or something. I'm really excited. So I just thought I'd vlog, show you guys what the house looks like afterwards when we decorate for Halloween. And also while I am preparing chili, I'm about to watch The Masked Singer from last night. So I'm excited to see who is on it. And yeah, I just thought I would vlog and I think it's gonna be fun. So I hope you guys enjoy. I have so much stuff to do on my list and Blake comes home in 5 hours. So I'm gonna try to hurry up, but I also just got off of work. So I need to eat, and Animal Crossing they just released their new fall update. So I need to go on there and start growing some pumpkins. But yeah, I'm really excited. The first thing on my list is I'm gonna start the chili because that's gonna take the longest. I'm gonna eat some food, watch The Masked Singer, play a little Animal Crossing, and then I'm gonna get to work. Chili, oh, I just burned myself. Chili is going. I'm gonna put the lid on. It's very watery now because it's gonna be cooking for like the next 4 hours. So obviously when it's been cooked for a while, some of the liquid is gonna come out and it's gonna be nice and thick. So I'll show you at the end, but it looks so good. And then once it gets a little bit closer to being done, I'm gonna make these. These are amazing. If you've never had them, they sell them at the grocery store now. So it's just the mix to make Red Lobster, the Cheddar Bay biscuits that they sell in the restaurant. Well, not sell, they give you them to you for free. We have those. And then I got this bottle of wine. I think it's just gonna be really nice, especially once everything is decorated. I'm gonna put some fresh fall candles, have them right there. Fresh fall candles out because some of them are like running low that we have out, and it's gonna be so nice. I have to do these dishes. I have a lot of stuff to do, but I'm excited I got this checked off, so I'm gonna go eat my lunch now. All right guys, pumpkins planted in Animal Crossing, check. Bed made, check. Honestly, the rest of the room is still a disaster, but I'm gonna worry about that after I do these dishes. And I'm gonna try to figure out what I wanna put on. I wanna put on a Halloween movie. I'm gonna look on Disney Plus and see what there is. I'll give you guys the verdict of what I pick. I'm excited. I can't believe it's October. As crazy as this year has been, it's literally flown by, in my opinion. At least now it's flying by, but the beginning of the year was pretty crazy and chaotic, like in March. This is so clutch. Disney Plus has an entire collection for just Halloween. So now I'm trying to figure out what I want to watch. Oh, this is gonna be such a tough decision. There's so many options. Oh my gosh, guys, what should I pick? Okay, this is super cool too. So they also have Disney Channel Halloween episodes. So you can pick which one you want to watch. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, I love that. And Disney Junior Halloween episodes. That is so convenient. Oh my gosh. I went with Twitches. Let's do this. Okay, I've got the table all ready for dinner, besides obviously like toppings and stuff once the chili's a little more done. I still have a few hours till Blake comes home. Got this thing going, but I think it's almost out, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill that up. And then I did the dishes, hooray! So it's almost time to pull out the decorations. I'm gonna go ahead and get all the candles out and switch out. A lot of these candles that I have are like, yeah, this one's done. So I'm gonna go switch these out. I want to get the house smelling like so nice. So I'm gonna switch all these out and then I'm gonna pull out the decorations. All right, we're all lit up. Yay, all the candles are lit. The room is still a disaster. I need to take care of this, but I'm gonna do that later. For now, let's pull out the Halloween decorations. Woohoo! It's gonna be quite a task. I have all this Christmas stuff and the Halloween bin is all the way at the bottom. Let's do this. All right, guys. Here is the Halloween bin. Nala is going through it for me. So I don't have a lot of Halloween stuff, definitely not nearly as much as Christmas. And in the future, I would love to decorate my house like extremely for Halloween and do so many decorations. Actually, one of the best places to get decorations is Goodwill, but I'm refraining from going because I know I've said this in 100 videos and I'm probably getting so annoying and repetitive, but we are moving. So I'm trying to have the least amount of stuff to move as possible. So once we do move, I'll probably go crazy next year buying a lot of decorations and stuff and slowly stocking up over time. But you know, we'll make it work with what we've got. This is from the Pennywise video. I don't know if you guys remember it. And then this is from the Lion King video, which we're gonna be using again for a Halloween video this year. So be excited for that. I'm sure if I took it out right now, Nala would freak out because she does not like this thing. Want to try it on? Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Come here. Look, put it on. It's a little hot. Yeah, no, she's not about it right now. So I have these. Those are really the only costumes I have. I don't really have a lot of costumes because Blake and I have actually never dressed up for Halloween, so believe it or not. I have a Gryffindor robe from when we went to Harry Potter. Okay, I've got a little Halloween pillow, so I'm gonna put this on the couch. Make it look nice and pretty. I so regret last year TJ Maxx had this blanket that had like dogs wearing costumes on, and I don't know why I didn't buy it when it was on sale. It was only like $10, but if they have it again this year, I'm gonna get it. But I have this cozy one. Throwback to my first ever YouTube video, which was my Target Halloween decor haul, and a lot of those decorations Nala's actually eaten, so that kind of sucks. This smell, it doesn't smell bad, but it smells like it's just been in storage for a while, so I'll probably wash these. I'll put that on the couch. Let's see here. This is just a random July 4th pillow. I don't think I'm ever gonna use this again, so I'd probably give this to Goodwill before we leave. And then here's all my Halloween socks. I got a lot last year when they were on sale, so I'm gonna be wearing these a lot. I'm actually disappointed in myself that I didn't wear any today for the first day of October, but I hadn't pulled them out yet, so what can you do? Ooh, and then I have this. It's like a Halloween, like jack-o'-lantern, like fairy lights. So I'll probably put that on the table. That'll look really nice with dinner. Oh, these are so cute. I'm definitely gonna wear these to work again this year for Halloween. These, it's like a kitty cat unicorn type of thing. I don't really know, but it's cute. And then I have some random like muffin tins that I bought from Goodwill, thinking I was gonna make muffins, or not muffins, but cupcakes, and I never did. And then I have some pencils. Oh, these will be really cute for my job because I'm a waitress, so I can use these to write down orders. And that's pretty much it. The rest of in here is just socks. Oh my gosh, how cute are these with the cupcakes? This is my favorite part of when you take things out of storage for the first time in a while. Nala. Ooh, I'm definitely wearing a pair of these fuzzy ones tonight. When you take things out of storage after a while, you just like forget what you have in there. So when you take them out, it's like brand new and so exciting. And I forgot about a lot of this stuff. I'm gonna put these bad boys on right now. These orange, oh, they have little ghosts on the side. Gotta get myself into the Halloween spirit. I gotta enjoy something this year, considering the majority of my year was just completely gone, as was for most people. Ooh, spookies. So festive. Okay, and there's really not that much more. These are so cute. I bought these on sale at TJ Maxx last year, and they have a little poodle and a girl who's like covered with pumpkins. Nala's not a poodle, obviously, but they're still super cute, so I love these. If I was a single lady and I had my own apartment, this would be like all my decor would be like cute little things like this. And then I've got my Halloween movies. I love Casper, such a good movie. It's The Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown, classic, and Scooby-Doo and the Reluctant Werewolf. I think that's it. Oh, I have this. It's a little board. It said boo to you last year, so I'm gonna have to put something on it again this year. Ooh, and more spooky socks. I love these. These are like candy corn. They're so cute. And yeah, that looks like it's pretty much it. I have a Ravenclaw tie and a Gryffindor tie, but I don't think I'm gonna need those this year, so I'm just gonna leave them in here. Yay, let's get to decorating. The completed area, very simple, but I think it does its job. And the last thing I have to do is put these up, so I'll show you what that looks like once I put these on the stove and switch that little cloth out. I also have these, which I've had for years and years and years, since my first YouTube video when I did the Target Halloween decor haul, but I think I'm gonna go with the new ones this year. These are also a little bit more like of a thicker fabric than these. These are a little more cheaper, so I'm excited to try these out. All right guys, how cute do those look? Oh my gosh, I love it. So adorable. So all the decorations are done. I'm so happy, so I'm about to go put all of this stuff back into the closet, and then I'm gonna relax for a little bit. Well, after I clean this up. I told you guys I've been trying to squeeze in some Halloween books before some Netflix shows come out. So I'm currently working on Turn of the Screw. It's very good. It is very creepy. That's going to be what Haunting of Hill House, the new season, is based off of. So I'm almost done with that. I should finish it today. And then I'm going to be reading Rebecca, which the new movie is coming out on Netflix on October 21st, I believe. So I'm trying to read those. And then the new Hannah Swenson book just came out. So I'm trying to read as quick as I can so I can read the new Hannah Swenson book. But yeah, I think I'm just going to cuddle up Halloween blanket, there it is, and read or watch some more Halloween movies. I just love this time of year so much. It's chilly outside. I have the door open. In the house it's 74, so not bad. I think it's gonna cool down a little more. It's like 60 or something outside. So nice. My chili is coming along nicely. You can see I'm about to do the biscuits. I'll probably do them like when Blake calls to tell me he's coming home because they only take like 20 minutes to bake. And then I got our wine and I have some dessert in the fridge. I got these pumpkin cheesecake, chocolate covered pumpkin cheesecake bites. I'll show you guys what they look like if you want to try them out. I'll give you the full scoop after we try them. This is what they look like. Chocolate covered pumpkin cheesecake bites by the brand Choconet Bay. So I'll let you know how they taste. And I just wanted to make like a little assortment. So I got some like fruit pastries and this is just a slice of cookies and cream cake. So I think it'll look nice. I'm gonna like rearrange it all. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, I'm just excited to have a nice relaxing night. Okay, so I forgot I got these little dishes from Goodwill. They're brand new with the tags on. I got them for like $1 each. So I just put some like candy that I had inside of them. I have one here and then I have one here. And they're just so adorable. I couldn't pass them up when I went to Goodwill, which is why I haven't been in a long time because I know if I go, I'm gonna see stuff that I want. And I always end up taking home too much stuff, so I need to wait. All right, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here, but I wanted to show you real quick what the chili ended up looking like. So let me show you real quick. Foggy. Yummy chili. And then I have sour cream and cheese and chives to go on top. About to bake these right now, but it looks so good. I'm so excited. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Thank you everyone so much for watching today's vlog. I really appreciate all the love and support for my channel. If you'd like to see more Halloween videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below because we're gonna have some really good ones. I'm just saying. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful week and I'll see you on Tuesday with a new video. Bye guys.